Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Spotify account to another phone. So if you want to use Spotify account on another phone, maybe you got a new device or want to share your playlist, in this quick training, I'll show you how you can connect your Spotify account to another phone in seconds, the easy way. So first, you can just do basic login methods. So the simple way to connect Spotify to another phone, you can just download Spotify on the second phone from App Store or Google Play, and just open the app and then log in and enter your Spotify email and password, or you can also use Google or Facebook login. And after that, you are in, all your playlists, liked song and history will load automatically. And second method, you can also manage devices and log out remotely. So if you lost your old phone or want to log out from another device, here is what you need to do. You can open the Spotify app, or you can also go to your account settings, or you can just go open your browser and then just find spotify.com/account. Okay, so in here you can just tap on your profile and scroll down until you find this option, sign out everywhere. Click on this again, and then you can log in only on the device you want to use. So this will help protect your account and keep it from being used by someone else. Next, you can also use Spotify Connect to control other devices. You can also control playback on another phone or device using Spotify Connect, and here is why. Here's how. So first, you can make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Then you can just play the song on phone A, let's say. You can play it here, and then on phone B you can open Spotify and then tap on the devices icon, or you can also just here click on the phone icon at the bottom left corner on the songs that you play. So if there is another device connect to your Spotify there and detected and the devices is on, you can just click on the device that you want to connect with. And that's how you can connect your Spotify account to another phone the easy way. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.